In this video, I'll show you how to use the pop-up elements in the Maglr block editor. So some templates already have some pop-ups present or other types of elements. As you can see in this template here that I've chosen to go with for these videos, you can see 3 pop-up elements here that will open a new window. But if you don't have any of the pop-up elements present in your template, you can also apply a pop-up element through the elements library. And we're going to do that now by clicking the add button in the top left and then scrolling all the way down to the pop-up section here, under which you will find all of the different pop-ups that you can add to your Maglr template. So I'm going to drag in any of the pop-ups now, simply give them a place on the page. And then the only thing you will see now is the button, of course, but this button will open the pop-up eventually when someone clicks it when they're viewing it. So first we want to edit this button here, because it says button now. We don't want it saying that whenever someone's reading the page, of course. So we can change that to read more by double clicking the text. And then of course, when selecting the button on the right side of the screen, you will also find some more settings when it comes to this pop-up. Link has already been defined, of course, because it opens the pop-up whenever someone clicks it. And now you want to check the pop-up, so what it actually does, how the pop-up will look, by clicking the button here in the check section, and now you will see the window that opens whenever someone clicks the pop-up. And of course, that doesn't have any contents now, but we're going to change that in a minute. And we're going to do that by going to the layers panel here on the right side of the screen. Because when we're working with pop-ups, the page will become made out of multiple layers. First of all, we see the default layer, which is the main page, which is the default view that you're seeing here as well. And then because this template has 3 pop-ups present already, you see 3 pop-up layers here as well. But we just added a new one, and we can find that under here. It's called pop-up as well. And this is the window that will open whenever someone clicks that very button. And we can now simply add elements to this by clicking and dragging them, just like you would in a normal page. Dragging this heading in, that's medium subheading, and a video, for example. Drag that a little downwards, so the white space is a little off, like this. And there we go. Now we filled our pop-up, our window, with content. Now we can go back to the default layer to go back and edit this button if we want to. And we've added contents to our very pop-up. I can check this, of course, by clicking the check button, clicking the button, and now you will see the elements that I've just added to the pop-up window. Of course, I didn't add a video, so you don't see the video element present now, but if I would, you would see it. And for the other pop-up elements, you can do the very same, of course. So by clicking this pop-up window here, this pop-up as well, you can see what the windows that will open, what it will show whenever someone clicks the actual pop-up when they're viewing your publication. And that concludes the contents of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.